If you've got rust on hard surfaces, then you need to be talking dirty with the Queen of Clean, because I'm going to show you some easy ways to remove it. And the first one, you're not going to bleed. You're going to take a potato, and it can be one that has a little black spot on it or whatever, because we're not making French fries. We're just going to take the potato, we're going to put a little liquid dish soap on it, like that. Then we're going to come over to the rust, we're going to take that potato, we're going to put it down, and we're going to press hard. Remember to press hard. The rust is on the potato, and it's not on the hard surface. What about rust over here? We can use lemon juice and salt. We're going to take a lemon. Now, if you don't have a lemon, you can use lemon juice. I'm just going to put salt on it. I'm going to give it a little squeeze just to juice it up a little bit. I'm going to take it, I'm going to push it down, and I'm going to work it back and forth. Now, if the rust is heavy, you're going to need to put it on and let it soak for maybe half an hour or so. If it's not real heavy and old, it'll come off, well, as fast as this did. When you're done, you're going to want to wipe everything up, and you're clean and done. Now, what about your pool decking? If you have pool decking that maybe you had a light sitting on it, rusted, you're going to use lemon juice and cream of tartar, just exactly the way I'm doing right here. And remember, lemon juice and salt is always great for rust, inside or out. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.